Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in the day newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, March the 4th, 2021. We have here in this additional a Sudoku with 1 star, a Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. Then we have a puzzle, a tectonic puzzle with 4 stars, tectonic puzzle with 1 star, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. We have total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, too much time consuming. I only do half of them. 4 Sudokus. Sudoku with 3 stars I will do. Sudoku with 4 stars I will do. 1 tectonic and 1 binary. And the first Sudoku is a 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 2417. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. You can count them. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Which number can I pick? Pick. How about the number 9 in this row, 9 in the third row? So the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright, this is 9. 8, 2. Okay. Then, yeah. How about these 4 missing numbers in the middle row? One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? 4, 3. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the second column, so no 7 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. That means the other 3 missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 there in this row, the middle row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. And the 7 is missing in the middle row. 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 place for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then 4, 9, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8. Wait, 1. Okay. Alright. How about? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Okay. Yes. No. Okay. 3, 2. Yeah. Not easy at all. Not easy at all. 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this third row. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2. So no 2 in that box. So the 2 could be here or there. In the third row, we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2, but I can mark those 2 boxes with the 2. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then I cannot continue. Let me see which number I can pick. These 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, so no 4 there. So the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 here. Only place for the 4 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the numbers? These 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. then I cannot continue with this. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Alright, now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Alright, one number left in this third column for the number 9. Alright, one box left in the first column. This box should be the number 5. Yes, one box left for the number 5. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 8. Alright. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. So we have two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. Two boxes left in the last row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. One box left in this column for the number. This should be the number 3. 3 is missing. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 8. One number left in the first row for the number 5. 5 is missing. Yeah, 5 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have there 5. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. And 8 goes there. Two numbers left in the last column. The 2 and the 8 are missing. The 2 and the 8 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 8. Let me mark those. Two boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. One number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. Alright, now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box should be an 8. And the final two numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, we see here an 8. No 8 there. each wheel, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright, for a 3 stars Sudoku. I'm very pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.